Hello friends, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a good bowl of cereal. I don't know about you guys, but I like to have my cereal with layers of fruit. So the fruit we're going to be using today, we're going to cut up some strawberries here in a second, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to take these strawberries and we're going to cut off the tips of them, take the leaves out of there, and we're going to set them up, all four of these strawberries together. That way I can cut each one into four individual pieces of strawberry, and then lay them out inside the first layer of my cereal bowl. So we're turning them here, and then we're gonna get our second cut in, get those four slices. Excuse my primitive knife skills here, but separate these, and now our strawberries are ready to be put into our cereal bowl. Throw these strawberries in here. It doesn't have to be perfect, just a nice little layer. First layer. Our next fruit, the banana. We're going to take this banana here and we're going to peel it. We're going to set it on the cutting board so we can chop it into little tiny circles. And as you see, this is where I quickly realized that the knife I am using is a little too small for comfort. So we're going to be switching it up and getting a bigger blade here. That will help us cut this banana to perfect little circles. And there you go. Cut these nice slices of banana here. Oh, there goes a piece. We're adding our banana to our first layer of fruit here. So now we have our strawberry and bananas together. And we can add the cereal next. We'll be using our Cinnamon Cheerios protein. This is the first time I've ever had this cereal, and I hope it's good. Add the cereal here. Then add our second layer of fruit to our cereal, and they should look a little something like this. Scatter a bit. And then we add our third and final layer of protein cereal. Gave my cereal some nice looking berries, and this is the end product here, and it looks nice and beautiful. We'll be using some lactose. I'm lactose intolerant, so we'll be using some lactose milk to help out with not having any stomach problems after this. And you pour the milk nice and neat, make it look real good, and boom, there you have it. That is a good looking bowl of cereal, if I do say so myself. Now I'm going to be the taste tester here. Getting our first bites in, our first thoughts. See if we get a little bit of banana and strawberry in there. And boom. I personally really enjoy the cereal. It's the first time I've ever had the protein cereal. It's very good, as you can see by my face here. Very excited to be eating this cereal. Yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave a like, thumbs up, share with your friends, comment down below, and that'll be it. See ya. Bye.